Welcome back, guys. So today I will deploy another the CSR1kv for the HA. Actually, you will know how to deploy CSR1kv for the redundancy and how to set up HA3 is new Cisco redundancy like a way. And for the HA3 for the AWS, we can check this configuration guide. And right now, the AWS CSR1kv is 17.3.2, and this is here. HA3 is working, and it's very fast. All right, these topologies. Last time I didn't deploy this side. So one CSR1kv is for the NAT, and the other CSR1kv is for the testing for the Azure PC deployed, and this is deployed. So right now I will deploy another CSR1kv CSR2, and I will deploy HA3. HA3 is very simple and very easy. Alright, let's go to here, and I will make launch CSR1kv with this image. So it T3 medium is most cheap for the testing. And CSR1kv VPC is here, and this is public subnet. Alright, and IP address is 10.16.40.12. Story is added and everything is okay, and just ICMP is okay. Right, leave and launch, and the existing key pair. All right. Wait a sec. During waiting, I will give elastic IP to that interfaces. Elastic IP is here. Allocate. Alright. And this is CSR2. CSR2 is here, and this is associate with non-named one because this will be CSR2, right? And you come here, everything is working fine. All right, this is CSR2, and for network interfaces, I come here to rename it. Actually it's very confusing if you don't give a name. And I will give one more interface. I'll make one more interface, CSR2 private. 7 is 4, and IP address is 10.16.4.12 and permit any. Right, this is CSR2 private. And alright, security check is disabled, and security group is permit any, right? And let's connect this one first. And same, I will use connecting script for fast connection. and hostname always first. Oh my god, I didn't associate. CSR2 private is I have to associate with CSR2, right? Let's change the IP address first. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, it worked. And I give the IP address here. Then same the NAT configuration. What is one? With CSR1. CSR1, CSR2, it should be same about configuration. So interface G2 IP not inside, and this one, these configurations. Also this one. Alright, and routing table here, so I can ping to right. From now on, alright, I will to do that. First, I have to give a role and policy to use Cisco HA3. So hold on. So okay, let's see the menu first. I have to go to roles. This is under the IAM, so the services. So here is all right. Let's open another tab. Here, IAM. At the IAM, there are roles, the create roles, and this is AWS service, right? And then EC2, next, right? Permission, and create policy, right? What should I do? What should I do? Create role, create policy. All right, create policy. Create policies. You can just copy and paste this one. JSON. It's CSR1kv whole policy, right? Then create policies. Too simple. Something wrong, looks like. There is such a permission. We have to give permission. Go to roles, and we didn't create a role. Sorry about that. CSR, so 1kv, CSR, next, tag is skip, review, CSR1kv role, something not smooth, but anyway, I need to make the create the roles and policies. If you go here, roles, it was attached to this policy. Policy was in JSON, and it's easy to then each the CSR1kv 1 and 2 should the role is CSR1kv. So here at the instance CSR1, go to modify role, state, action, modify IAM roles. Where is the menu? Action security. Action security modify. Action security modify role. Here. So it means, so as you see the code, so CSR1kv can change the route. Why we need it, I will explain about that. Sorry, it was late. So what we'll do today is, when CSR1kv is broken, so this another one will be active. So routing table should change it to like that. So from the route, the private route, the internet gateway should do this one. It should be changed. To do that, CSR1kv Python code will change this one. But to do that, it needs a role, and it was configured at the IAM. Right now, we need to configure it. Okay, and we did config roles, and we will make the the GRE and BFD on two CSR1kv. All right, let's go to the tunnel. All right, and this one is all right, and this interface should do the elastic IP of the other side. This one. All right, and CSR1kv 2 tunnel 1 IP address. And let's copy this one. Tunnel source gigabit 1, and the tunnel destination is elastic IP of route 1. And page, let's say page 14. Well, here the same. We will use the ERGRIP and the BFD, and show BFD summary. No, it's working. And we will use guest shell to enable the HA3, the Python, the enable code. And in it, oh my god, in it a few minutes to this one. Actually, guest shell is a kind of container in working on Cisco router or switch. So basic configuration is already done on AWS, the CSR1kv. So with a very simple command, we can use this one. All right, it takes like a 1 minute or like that. So guest shell is, as I told you, it's CentOS 7, maybe 7 container Linux. Very simple one. Not contains not whole features. All right, let's wait a little bit. All right, it's working. And if you just guest shell, you can access container, and with the pip command we can use HA, and with this command we can check about the daemon is working or not. You know, because CSR1kv is with no licenses right now. Each maybe let's see, each bandwidth is 1 megabps, very slow. All right. All right, it's active, it's running, it's fine, and then we have to set up as this way. The source is. Let's see what is special C. This command means this will be included in the environment. So means like create node is, create node py, show, and node event. Node event actually it means it does have better functions. So as you see, this is very some kind of shell the Python code by the Cisco. And we have to make a create node, and node is, let's see, one by one. Node is kind of script. For run. This is routing table name of private, and this is region name, and this is nick. When the other guy was, the other CSR1kv is down, so detect using VFD, this code will be activated, and then routing table will be changed with this one. This is the route table, and this nick will be the gateway. So let's change one by one. For the CSR1, what is the routing table? The name, the route table private is, name is this one. This one, right? And region is, what is my region? Northwest East, North AP Northeast 2. So here Northeast 2, and network interface name is right. What is the network interface is EC2 network interfaces. CSR1 private is this one. Oh my god. And network interface 2 of a private is this one. Alright, so right now I will use this one, and later I will use this one. It's same. So this is for the CSR1kv 1, and this is for the CSR1kv 2. So with this script 1kv 1, it's working. It's configured. So show node I10. It shows like that, and this is 2. You can check saying show node 10. Alright, so let's go out And right now, at the routing table, router is using the 882, and 882 is CSR1. If I run the code at the CSR2, the routing table will change it to this one, the 1BF3. Let me check. So this command is run the code. What is CSR1 to? Alright, so from PC, I'll ping to Google. Oh, sorry. And ping is okay. And I will run the code. So HA was processed. So ping has almost no problems. And if you go to the here and if you check the routing table, it will change it. This is working. The HA3 is working. Actually, HA3 doesn't promise to keep the table sync and so keep the sessions. But session is like broken. But instantly, the service is change it to another router with the different the public IP addresses. The session is broken, but anyway, so you can use the internet. All right, this is the configuration of the HA3, and maybe we have to check the configuration at the CSR1kv. And cloud HA peer is, and here redundancy, and peer is 1. So show redundancy. Cloud, there is how can I check? Non-application. No. Right now, this is like this machine was working. So I will. This is now we reload the router. All right, let's see what's going on. Routing table change it to 882. 882 is here. CSR1. Actually, CSR2 is on the rebooting, and CSR1 is working. As you see the log, as a BFT check, the peer is down. So Python script supplied by Cisco was run, and right now there is no ping loss. All right, so until now, very simply, we just check how we set up the CSR1kv and NAT. Also, how deploy HA3 supplied code from Cisco. This is official guide, but even though you see the configuration guide, it's very hard to deploy, so I did it. So anyway, thank you anyway, so see you next time. Bye bye.